Hi students, welcome back. In last class, we saw about how to create cushions for your sofa and complete it as a single model. Okay, so in recent classes, we are dealing only with the cube. Okay, so today what I thought was why don't we create elements with the next mostly you use element which is your cylinder. Okay, so today what we'll do is we'll see how to use cylinder in polygon modeling. So we'll be learning about image plane and its advantages today. So we'll go. So first what I will do here is I'll show you an image. So you people would have created it. Okay, so we have created all these shapes using your NURBS curves, right? So sometimes you would have not got the same kind of curvature or these kind of detail in your object. Okay, so if you are not so good at drawing or creating so much amount of detail, you have the next alternative, which is like tracing the outline. Okay, in Maya. So this will help you to get a proper kind of shape however is there on inside in your object. So we'll see how it is done. So for that, what I'm going to do right now here is I'm going to just create a cube. So you don't need to worry about it. The poly cylinder. Okay, just click on it. You'll get that cylinder. So you'll go to the channel box where you can click on the poly cylinder. The radius and subdivisions we need to work on. So I'll just pressing my space bar, the space. So you get uh, the four viewports. Now what you're gonna do is I'm gonna go to my side view. Okay, I'm gonna maximize my side view. I'm gonna make it bigger. Just press Alt and right mouse click. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna bring this on top here. Okay, this is my cylinder placed here. So next thing what you're gonna do here is go to the panel. No, okay. Okay, go to the view. You have option called as image plane. So what this image plane option does here is you can import any kind of image inside Maya, and you can use it for retracing any kind of 2D images into 3D. Okay, so first I'm going to go to image, go to my desktop. So flower vase is the one, just press open. Okay, so this is my flower vase that's been uh, got inside. So I'm gonna make it come here. So keep it at the center and it's ready for tracing. The only thing what you need to understand here is if you are trying to trace these kind of objects in 2D into 3D, it should be in a perfect side view. Okay, this image is not in perfect side view, but we can still try to get this basic shapes from the outside. Okay, so this is what we are gonna do. So what I'll do is I'll click on the cylinder. So polycylinder, I'm gonna reduce the, what to say, the radius. So next what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna increase the height segment. It's like 1 and 2 only. So I'm gonna increase my height. Okay, take it at the top. This is fine. Okay, so next thing, you need to increase the subdivision height axis, the number of segments you want. Okay, so we'll keep little. We'll see how it works. So 6 is fine. So we'll work. We'll see how it works. So what I will do, click here, go to my vertex, right click, vertex. Okay. Select this, scale it from the center. Okay, fine. This region, scale it from the center. Okay, works. So simple. You'll not get that perfect shape, but we need to work on it. Maya will help us. Okay. Scale it. Okay. So on top, scale it in. On top, skeleton. Just press, go to your object mode. So now what I'll do is press 2, press 3. Okay. But still what Maya is trying to do here is it's not getting the outermost kind of edge, right? I'm getting the shape, but still it's not going to the outermost edge. So I'm gonna go to my 1. So I need to add more segments here. This area I need to work on. So polycylinder. I'm increasing the number of segments. It's not working. So what you need to do here is you need to fix the number of segments in the beginning itself. If you're not doing it in the beginning, later if you try to add, this won't work. Maya will try to add the segments only from the top. Okay. So that is a problem we are getting right now. So what I will do, try to do is I have my mesh tools, edit mesh, insert edge loop tool. So I need to add edge loops here and edge loops here. Okay. So 2 places. First of all, I have identified. So go into my vertex mode. So increase this. Okay. Hope you got the chip. Yeah. Increase this. Okay. So again, this place, edit mesh, insert edge loop tool. Okay. Okay. This is fine. So again, pressing G, I'm pressing it here. So I'll see whether this one needs to be smaller. Okay. Yeah. Again, pressing G. Okay. I'm going to my object mode. So this is done. So I'll see whether it works. Yep. I'll keep it by the side. So you get that shape almost there. So just press spacebar, go here, your object will be ready. Okay. So this is the kind of quality with which we are planning to work. So take it outside. Yes, your subject is here. Okay. With good smoothness. So what we are trying to do is our intention is to create similar kind of objects in Maya and try to place it. So I'll try doing it faster so that you can understand. Okay. Just you need to select the vertex, keep scaling from the center. That's all you need to do, guys. Okay. Okay. This is almost. This is the height. Go into my object mode. So I'll keep it at the center. So when you keep it at the exact center, it is easy for you to scale from all the sides. So R, all sides. Okay. So now I'm gonna insert my edge loops. Okay. So then scale it. So the more you work on a lot of shapes, the more you'll be able to do it. Get better outputs. Okay. So try observing a lot of references. So try creating it in Maya. So if you have any doubts, do share your problems, where you're going, where you're facing any kind of issues, so that I can help you out, guys. Okay. So yeah. So I'm trying to find out where there will be a lot of curves. So if the number of curves are more, you'll need more number of segments. Okay. Okay, hope is done. Just press F8, object mode. So press 3. Yeah, my shape is there. My object is there. Yeah, done. Done. Okay. So if you keep working like this, you'll be able to create proper shapes in Maya. So the third one, I'll try to create this one and we'll see how it's working. I think this is going to be slightly different. Okay. So go there first, go to the polycylinder, decrease the radius for the center. Be still more smaller, right? 0.28, 0.25. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. And now the height. Okay, now the subdivisions. Subdivisions are the only things that matters a lot. So then you need to go to the vertex, keep moving. So, okay, vertex. I think this will be smaller, slender. Oh my god. And here, so this will scale a bit. Going to my vertex. Okay, so just gonna come to my object mode, press 3. This needs work on the top here. Okay, now going to my object mode, 3. Yeah. So I made 3 jars using. Okay. So what you can do is you can choose whichever way you want to create objects in Maya. So there is no one single way of creating objects. Okay, that's what I'm trying to show you here. So, but when you're creating objects, see to it you keep your meshes at uniform gaps so that you don't overcrowd your meshes. It should be uniform, the number of segments here. Can you see? I've evenly given segments here. So see to it you don't add more number of segments very near to each other unnecessarily. So the more you add, more complex your model becomes, and you will not be able to get these kind of smooth shapes. Okay, for example, for these kind of curves. So only when you practice you'll be able to get you'll be able to work faster. Your exams would be 2 hours, so you'll be given these kind of exercises. So only when you are competent enough with the software, you'll be able to create your objects very fast. Okay, so this is the exercise for today. Try practicing it. Any doubts, do let me know, guys. Have a great day.